Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video of this tutorial for the socks. If you complete this part, this is the time for complete this part of this socks. Okay, for this tutorial I use this hook. The size of hook is 1.75 and I use this kind of yarn. Now for the next step of these socks, again I make 3 chains and then go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Again go to the next stitch and make another double crochet, and I continue as this double crochet until I arrive exactly here in the last double crochet in the last this hole. Okay, so continue as this double crochet. Now I arrive here and I have this line, and then when I arrive here before this big hole, I make 1 double crochet and then 1 chain and go here in above of this double crochet and make 1 double crochet, then 1 chain, go to the next double crochet and make another double crochet, again 1 chain, then go above of this part exactly here and make 1 double crochet, again 1 chain, and go here and above of this double crochet and make 1 double crochet, again 1 chain, and above of this part make 1 double crochet, again 1 chain, again above of this stitch make 1 double crochet and 1 chain, and again here and above of this puff stitch exactly here make 1 double crochet and 1 chain, again in above of this double crochet make 1 double crochet and 1 chain, and again here make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and again in the last of this double crochet make 1 double crochet. Now as you can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 of this space here in this part, and then we must make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, again here 1 double crochet, and keep continuous this until you complete this round. Again 1 double crochet, again the next stitch 1 double crochet, and this is the last of us, 1 double crochet, and then make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Now you complete this round. Now when you arrive here make 1 chain and then cut the yarn and use the needle to hide this extra yarn or hide between this crochet, then use something like this for sign and put it here in the 1st double crochet before the 1st hole exactly here, and this part like this skip this and here make a sign, and then again make double crochet but like this. In this part put the hook here and then yarn over, make 3 chains, and then put the hook here in this hole and make 1 double crochet and go above of this stitch and make 1 double crochet, then here make 1 double crochet and continue as this. Continue this double crochet in each stitch. I cut the extra yarn, so I continue this double crochet until I arrive here. Now I arrive here, but when I arrive in this hole here I make 1 double crochet and then put the hook here and make another double crochet. Now we have this shape. Okay, now I make 3 chains and then put a hook in the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Again go here and make 1 double crochet and keep continuous this until we arrive here. Okay, when you complete this round and arrive here, we need 12 of this round. We need 12 of this round. We complete just 1 of this round, and this is the second round. We must complete this round and we need 10 more. Okay, if you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So you need 12 of this round. Complete this round and then I come back. Okay, now I complete this round and I have 12 of this round. Then I put this 2 part like this. I do it again, put it like this. Okay, and then put the hook here in the first chain and here in the first loop, and then yarn over and make 1 chain, then put the hook in the next stitch of this part and next stitch of this part, and then yarn over and make 1 slip stitch. Again put the hook in both of this stitch and yarn over and make 1 slip stitch, and again repeat. Like this, and we continue as this until we arrive here. Now I arrive in the end of this part and I put the hook in this stitch and make 1 slip stitch and 1 chain, and then cut the yarn and use the needle to hide this extra yarn, and then do it like this. And now this is complete, the socks is complete, but for more design I want to make this part for this part, but you can use it in simple shape or make this here. Okay, for the next step I put the hook here in this part, exactly here, and make 3 chains and 1 double crochet here. Then go to the next hole, not this, skip this and go here and make 1 single crochet, then 3 chains, and again here in the same hole make 2 double crochet. This is the extra yarn, like this. I want to cut this extra yarn, you don't need. Again skip this part and go to the here, go here and make 1 single crochet, again 3 chains, and again here in the same hole make 2 double crochet. So 1 and again here 2. Again skip this part and go here and make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and again here 2 double crochet. So again repeat, skip this and go here, make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and then again here 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So you must continue as this and around of this part. Okay, now I complete this round and I complete the socks too. As you can see, we have this beautiful heart here, and this is so easy and so nice and very useful for all the people in the world. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to think more of these socks in different shape, please tell me in comment part. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.